Dude, somehow I said like the word yesterday, bro, and I didn't get banned. I don't know how.
Yeah, it's insane. They spared you.
Bro, like I got a warning and stuff though for it, like but
Yeah, nah, they probably like your strikes probably reset.
oh shit, you might be right actually about the strikes resetting, yeah.
Yeah.
These are the settings for the indicator. Series sensitive and then I just have it on bearish. Yeah, not the hard R. I said that. Yeah, they got pissed, bro. I've said it a couple times, and they've banned me a couple times now. Generational longs at open. Adrian calls out longs at open.
I mean, we should like retrace if we just continue to dump. I mean, it'd be pretty lame. Should at least retrace. But this shit does not look like reversal like at all.
Yo, a dope E92 just came on the market.
Wait, what does that even mean?
For you.
Dope P92?
A dope E92.
Wait, is that somebody?
No, like there was like a sick E92 that just came onto the market.
Oh, I don't know why I thought you were saying something completely different.
Oh no.
The dope E92.
That thing is fucking fresh. It's got everything you want. Upgraded brakes, rod bearings, throttle actuators, suspension, bucket seats.
Yeah, I need to go buy a car soon. Well, not really because I hate driving, but I want to.
Dude, can you believe my car is still in the shop, bro?
Tried.
Dude, they might be
They're
like
parting it
fucking.
out.
They might have crashed it or something, bro. Like, what the fuck?
They're parting it out, bro.
Bro, they
You
actually.
have to see.
Yeah, dude, I was talking to someone yesterday. For all I know, I'm gonna go back. The engine's gonna be missing. The VIN's gonna be swapped. The color's gonna be a different fucking color.
Bro, you're gonna go there and the whole car is gonna be missing. Imagine.
Just my luck.
Then you sue and you get an SVJ. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh
Not the way
shit.
you think.
Mm.
Boom, boom. Oh, my mouse died.
I didn't see where's the next target at.
For shorts.
Four, yeah. I think I see 410 maybe.
Probably August lows.
August lows.
Damn, I wonder, is this gonna keep dumping or are we gonna retrace? Because the hourly could very well retrace. But damn.
Honestly, dude. Fuck. It's really over, bro.
Nah, bro, trust. They're just injecting liquidity.
Fair. We do have Loki equal lows. 3486.
Yeah, I have those marked. Or, yeah, or do I? I think I have 481 marked.
Okay. 485, like those relative equal lows on the
Bro, we're
daily.
going to the monthly gap today.
Where's the monthly gap? Oh,
It's-
bro. Yeah, the monthly gap. I mean, that's literally the draw, no? I mean, that's fucking
So,
300 points away, but...
bro, we're already down 400. What's another 3?
No, you're right.
We're down 400 from just London alone.
Jesus, bro. Yeah, look at the hourly flip, bro.
Hmm. And I actually like, it's so bad, bro. I just
Oh,
like
yeah.
frame shit overnight, but there was like such a free ass top tick. Like that little Trump candle, like that wick was definitely not going to get taken. That wick was going to get filled. You take the fib, we like made equal highs at 0.79 on the 1 a.m. hourly candle, and then you take that hourly candle wick and use it as a rejection wick. And then when you scale down to the 5-minute and you take the 5-minute OTE, that CE of that 1 hour wick lines up with OTE perfectly. You take a limit there and put your stop at the high for like 25 points. Then you hold that shit for previous day low.
August low 481. Let's see.
Or you could have played the 5-minute inverse off the rejection wick too, and that would be valid. Cause yeah, that 4 p.m. candle was like look at that wick is just insane.
Let me see. 4 p.m. Yeah, no, that's nuts. That was that news from yesterday, whatever it was, that we were gonna fucking
Like a Trump
flip
wick,
the
yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this 4 hour looks wicked. But I mean, all right, we're honestly like breaking out of the range, so like this is kind of not bad.
Yeah, honestly, I don't mind this.
TBT's about to get rinsed, and then that means quarter 2, bro. Quarter 2. Like imagine, right? Today we could close this candle, right? Officially break this range, and then we could be golden.
For the downside.
I mean, ultimately into that gap, and then I mean, bro, that
Yeah. No,
like that monthly gap might send us, to be honest.
Yeah.
Those are all the like tariff gaps,
That's true, actually. MC.
and there's definitely orders there. So
MC, I really appreciate that, bro. Unfortunately, I can't tell you exactly, but it's really good. It's some of the best SMT indicator on the market. We don't like live trade like execute live, but we'll like kind of say it like, all right, we're taking a trade here. We'll give you like some inclination, kind of. Also, the top in London, like the 1 a.m. kind of high, tapped perfectly at previous week low and then absolutely rejected.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like that Trump wick, and then like coming back into the range, like tapping back into that range. It was kind of like resistance up there,
Yep.
and then a hard rejection off that wick.
Yeah.
And then London opened up 2 a.m. manipulated into that 1 hour wick, and then if you align it to the 5-minute, you get a perfect like setup. It was like a 5-minute BPR aligned with the rejection block and fibs and all the other shit. It was actually like insane.
That's sick.
And then if you take like standard deviations on that 5-minute leg, like the levels are just perfect.
We are at 4.5 from.
Yeah, we're getting to that. That's what I'm saying. We're like pretty overextended now, so I'd expect us to start wanting to come back into the range to at least rebalance. And then, I mean, we could always keep shorting, but I don't think the 4 hour and the hourly are just going to just one direction plummet. But I mean, fundamentally, we could if they just continue to release bearish news.
No, that's very true.
But yeah, we are off that like -4, -4.5 area here.
Mm-hmm.
To kind of see what happens. I would like to see us come into like that hourly gap that also aligns with that high.
honestly. Yeah.
And then equilibrium on the 15. If you take like the 530 high, assuming this would be our bottom, but we don't know for sure. But if you take the fib, equilibrium's perfectly in that 1 hour like fill after taking the high.
Okay.
I think we're longing relatively soon. I think we
Yeah, I
might
think we start to
open up,
rebalance a little bit.
sweep the bottom here, because there's nothing. I don't have anything that I can like point out that's not like 2-3 months ago.
Mhm.
So I think we just open, we sweep this, and we go long at least to 705, and then or 703, and then after we can either bounce there because that's the lowest volume of last night and the lowest volume of the leg. So if you take like a fixed range from swing high to swing low, just right now,
Uh-huh.
the lowest volume is right at value area low, which gives you a big indication that we're probably going to hit like 700-ish, 705, somewhere in there. And we're just going to hit it, and that's going to be our wall, and we're just going to bounce down
Okay. Sounds good.
or consolidate. But I got to head to my college class, so
No problem.
good
man.
luck to y'all.
Thank you.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
man.
keep an eye on the live.
Sounds good.
So,
Yep. I'll see you soon. I'll see you next weekend, or I'll see you over the weekend, definitely.
yeah. And then like I said, keep an eye on 700.
Yeah.
Like
I have that marked out.
this little here,
Even if like
this little area.
it's like a 4-hour fair value gap fill too, almost.
Is it?
Or actually,
Um,
no, it's not. We tapped that one already, but
it'll be the hourly.
It's a 1
fill.
hour. It's definitely an hourly
Yeah,
It's a
fill.
1
it'll be the
Yeah.
hour.
hourly.
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
So just keep an eye there.
Got it.
And I'll keep an eye out, see if you guys
41
get rich off that.
Hell yeah.
What did ES just work out? So I mean, ES like swept out Monday's lows here, and then just some like random internal lows from August. But I mean, it could be an interesting area for us to bounce from though. Essentially, let me actually see if there's like a high time frame fib that we could take, higher time frame.
That's the actual I was looking for.
A weird fib, but let me try it. Like, where are we here? That's so odd. So like I don't know. So like this 4 hour fib I took just from like the kind of most significant low to mark out to the top of the range. Like we're at 705 perfectly at this area here. 705 is at 621.
Like the low, like you're saying for bearish or bullish?
Like for bullish, like if we
Okay.
were to like start bouncing here.
I see. I do like longs, honestly. I really do.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't seem bad. It's basically like a daily fib as well. So just taking like the most like standout low from that move up kind of,
Mm-hmm.
and then to the top of the range. But I mean, ultimately, I think that the monthly gap fill makes the most sense. But short term, like intraday, I want us to retrace.
Agreed. I did take a small long here, actually.
Yeah, it's valid. I was looking at that too.
I'm gonna go break even at 634. I'm just holding
Bet.
for the relative equal highs at 643. I'm just trying to get a winning day in, and I'm locking out.
But strong ass push.
Yeah, I'm break even here.
Yeah, it's a clean push.
Not many gap here.
I want this at 655. I
And
moved my
it's
TP a
rejection block.
little higher up.
Yeah, those are like perfect equalizing.
Push it.
Yeah, we're bouncing off -4 perfect down here.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty interesting. I'm not lagging, am I?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
No.
All right, cool.
1 minute chart, Mr. Sauce.
Oh, that was a terrible throw. See how this shit plays out though.
Nice. Push
Yeah,
it.
it's a nice push.
Good push. Hopefully we fly through this rejection block here.
It's really nice.
There we go.
Wow.
Nice.
Push it.
Yeah, we're gonna get that 5-minute change and stay there too. It's really nice.
I extended TP even further. It's back to 700. Bro. I'm doing it partial. I think that this.
That's
will,
valid, honestly.
I think this.
I think we keep running.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got a partial where?
655 and then 700.
655. Got a partial at that hourly gap at 660.
I just hit partial there.
Oh yeah, that was a
All right.
rejection block too. Let's see.
I got my winning day. I'm just letting the bitch run now. Did anyone on the TikTok catch this? Yeah, I'm in this. Jason. You caught it. Good shit, Link. Good shit, Sanchez.
We do have an internal SMT here currently.
Okay, yeah. Good shot. Definitely.
This is a good V shape though. I like the change in state on the 5 minute.
Mhm.
And then ultimately, if we can close this 15 and make the 15-minute change in state, then we should go for that hourly gap fill at the very least.
So
And then beyond that, I don't really know.
hourly gap fill you have at 689, right?
Yeah, it's like 689, 690.
Got it. Perfect. Okay. Just making sure.
Yeah.
SMT.
Well, the chances of the United States. Almighty God.
No bullish indicator. Let me see if it gave a bullish. I had on bearish when I came into the market. Let me see. No, it didn't give a bullish signal actually. It's probably because these were more than 15 candles to close this inverse. This was really a discretionary trade, honestly.
Terrible feel. What is this?
What price did I get in at? 615-ish.
Like these odds.
Let's go. Thank you, G.
There we go.
One more minute till market open.
Yeah, we might just open and rip here.
I would love that. Push it.
If we tap the 15, let's see if we smack through the hourly.
See if we get that 15 minute. Yes. ES is lagging behind though, so there's that.
Mm-hmm. Hopefully market open just fucking sends us to oblivion.
Yeah.
Push it. Oh.
Let's see. Oh shit. Fucking alarm. Tap the 5 minute there.
YM's dumping here. Or it's looking weak, not dumping.
Yeah, it's an interesting opening
Okay, YM's
I
dumping.
don't know what the fuck that was.
there. Watching that 5 minute gap. We also did make the 15 minute CISD as well, so
Okay, that's nice. Wow, YM's
yes, it's
dumping.
much weaker.
Yeah, it is. Jesus. Wow.
Holy. Yes, just flip that 1 minute
It's
low.
delivering straight out of this 15 minute.
See what we want to do. Equilibrium is at that 1 hour fill still, so let's see. Got a 5 minute CISD at 623. Yes, it's dumping. We might make an SMT at the bottom. Let's see how we react once we tap here.
I got stopped at break even. I just got stopped at break even there. That's fine.
Yeah, we should be able to get some kind of a re-entry here the way we're moving. Let's see, I'm about to make a SMT here at the bottom. Just made a fat SMT, but NQ's catching up. The only draw lower I have for NQ, or well, I have two, but there's 528 and 481 draws. Holy yes.
Wow.
Jeez.
Jesus.
Okay.
They said Nasdaq set to enter a correction, 10% drop from October's highs.
Alright,
Jesus.
time to buy the fuck out of this shit.
We did just tap the last fib of this leg here on NQ. Have the SMT intact as well.
SMT here. This is not what I meant to click. Okay.
Should make this 1 minute gap here. Yes, has two gaps though, so be careful of that. We tap that lower 5 minute as well.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of see what we do around here.
Honestly, dude, do yourself a favor. Do not look at your Robinhood portfolio today.
I refuse to
Bro,
look.
it is bad today, bro.
It's about to be ad time.
Oh, man.
All right. Get rid of some of these lines and shit. All right, so start that SMT at the bottom of the range. If we hold that intact, I'll assume we can still move higher. If we come down and just break that, I may look to frame shorts to 528 and possibly 481, but we'll see. Do look really heavy.
SMT here. Just tap the rejection block on NQ.
We'll also see if this 5 minute closes too. Closes these gaps and makes a CISD. Loki, that 931 close through those like 1 minute gaps wasn't terrible, but that was into the 5 minute.
That's true, yeah.
So wouldn't be worth.
Sweep here. Oof. It is.
We do have an SMT in that 931 gap. I didn't even peep that first presented. Holy.
Jesus, bro.
Jeez.
This shit's ugly, twin. This shit is ugly.
All right, let's see. 5 minute did close, so yeah, we might just
do a
pull
4 hour.
I mean, Jesus.
Like, do we just keep on dumping from here? Like, what's going on?
Dude, honestly, that fucking 931 candle was really nice.
Yeah, it was pretty solid, can't lie.
Just that 5 minute.
Yeah, I mean, shorting like into the 5 minute tab basically.
Yeah. And you're fading the the SMT that was there.
Yeah, that too.
So the reason you didn't see this, Frank, is because in the settings before I had it set to bullish because I was checking to see if we had that long opportunity before, and then I left it on bullish so it wouldn't show any bearish signals, and then at market open, we got it.
We tapped that FUG too.
Might open up a huge 5-minute potentially. We could make like a 5-minute unicorn up here. Would be pretty cool. Low key.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Nah, bro. Homie said unicorn turtle soup.
Not bad. All right. Wait, let me check because we didn't quite hit that 4.5 spot from that one leg. So now I have to check. Did we? Let me see. We did hit 4.5 now. Okay, that's interesting.
About to retest that first 5.
Yeah.
About to create a new 5.
Just tap that 5-minute CISD. This 5-minute has a minute and a half. We might open that gap. Tap the equilibrium of that like opening range.
Mm-hmm.
And he is tapped into a bearish order block as well.
Yeah.
But it didn't make that same order block for NQ, so
Generational long.
I'm in a yeah, phony.
I don't know. I don't love this only because of the 2-minute, and we're gonna open up the 5-minute here. I mean, this is just a risky entry here. If anyone's taking longs here.
Yeah, I think it's high risk.
Honestly, think you're better off going continuation shorts, just waiting for that setup. The shit's dumping.
I'm in on continuation shorts. I've had a limit that just got tapped. But we'll see how it plays out.
So something I've noticed since I started trading, it's pretty crazy. So the 931 candle, how we said it was really good, like it was a pretty good entry.
Wait, what happened?
So how we said that the 931 candle was a pretty good entry?
Yeah.
So something that I've noticed, like ever since I started trading inversions, look at where we closed that candle, right? The 931 at 613. Look at where this wick was. We tapped that closing price perfectly. So if anyone was in shorts from there and they just
I don't know
moved,
why. Like,
Bro.
wait, can you hear me still?
yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay, now you can hear me. All right, yeah, I don't know why my shit's cutting out in and out. But what wick?
So the 931 candle, the closing price that gave us the inversion, right? I
Mhm.
still think that we continue short for like continuing short, but if anyone was short and they move their stops to break even, the 939 candle taps the closing price perfectly, like to the tick. So if anyone,
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
like I've just noticed that it happens every single time, bro. Just like the closing of it, like taps the wick, bro, like the closing price, and
Oh yeah.
it just fucks me
I
over
see
so
it.
That
many
is
times.
insane.
Yeah.
You still have that
One of that
first
5.
presented untapped right here, and the midpoint of first presented is OTE as well. Ooh, let me
I'm
tap
just
it.
let this breathe. I'm gonna let this breathe. Fuck this. Here we go.
Yeah, that's
Good
nice.
push.
That was nice.
Good push. Tap the midpoint of that 5 perfectly. Probably have a
Give us a little continuation.
yeah. A 5-minute rejection with that 564. Probably break even when the taps in.
Yeah, would it be solid shorts if we end versus 1 minute off this 5 continuation?
Yeah, I would like it.
Yeah, it
Honestly.
wouldn't be bad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same. Same. Good thinking, boys.
I just want to see a nice strong candle close. No fucking funny wick, you know.
Yep, exactly.
Ooh, I didn't even check. Do we have news today? 10 a.m. news. True.
Nice.
Interesting. Yes, hasn't tapped that 1 minute down there yet. There's an SMT there.
That's a good shot. Yeah, we didn't.
We're kind of losing volume around here. I'm just waiting to see like when we start displacing again. I still wouldn't mind like us longing back into that hourly so if we decide to flip like this 5 minute up and everything.
New 15, boys.
Yeah, new 15 minute.
Wow.
Jeez.
Jesus.
Adrian's sitting in class licking his chops right now. I know he's smiling
Yeah, like-
now too. Here's OTE of this previous range.
Bet.
In the 5 minute. Let's see if we get anything here.
Yeah, reswept the high, tapped OTE. Let's see. The little retrace held though, pretty interesting. The 1 minute retrace hit equilibrium.
Yeah, it's just tap first presenting.
Yeah, he has tapped that higher gap. Probably around its OT as well. Yeah, it is. No 7-9. MQ also just tapped 7-9.
Mm-hmm. Last line of defense for Bears.
Mm-hmm. Could flip his first presented, but would have to flip the 5-minute to continue. Holy.
Wow, flip over this BPR too would be
Jeez.
nice.
Yeah, this shit is
Wouldn't-
pumping.
I wouldn't go long
Yeah.
shot the 5, man. The 5 inverse.
That's true. Yeah, still 3 minutes left on that 5 actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, long's probably not the best. Yeah.
Right? I mean, yeah, we did tap a 4-hour down below. We're rejecting, yeah, but it's so bearish, man.
Yeah, we didn't even close that BPR.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, the only reason we would be longing up is if the higher time frame is wanting to retrace higher, like the hourly.
Yeah, a higher time frame is dumping. We're better off looking for continuation shorts, boys. Unless Trump fucking tweets.
The Trump tweet.
Terrible.
See what this 5-minute does in the next 2 minutes.
Yep.
Sitting inside that BPR and OTE.
Yeah, Bears just don't seem to be winning right now, at least.
Yeah, no, it doesn't look like it.
This if this 5-minute holds and we flip this 9:45 gap, it would be nice, but we're not. It doesn't look bearish at all really anymore.
Yeah, it'd be like kind of odd now if the 5-minute were to flip from here. I mean, we've seen it happen before, but this looks super like momentum through it.
Yeah.
And the hourly, like that wick from the bottom there. And we came off that -4.5.
Mm-hmm.
See, what's the 15? 15 really doesn't like
Whoa,
have
we
much
could
of
enter
anything.
off this 5 if it does inverse.
See how it closes here in 20 seconds. They might not give the close. And then ideally, if they do close it, I'd want to see it close on both ES and NQ.
Oh, wow.
So we held the 5-minute.
Yeah, no close.
Yeah.
Yep.
Held the 5-minute, tapped that 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing right now, but let's see.
Yeah, it's my stop by 1 point. Or no, 1 tick, actually. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we'll see if that 1 minute flips. It could send us back for like the low of day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this looks
Holy comeback.
2-minute inversion or liabilities.
Yeah, we do have a 2 minute there as well. Could play out.
Wow.
Jeez, bro.
Wow. 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 Wow.
It's a nice push.
Rob's in disbelief right now.
Jesus fucking Christ. My dick's never been harder in my life. This is crazy.
We enter off of retest or we'll enter off the retest of this 2 minute for value gap if it inverses.
Jeez.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I'm break even now. Holy shit. I almost blew that fucking account, dog. Holy shit.
Like, oh,
I know. I think Will took that trade. This one, Will options. He loves taking that last inverse of the leg.
Bro, is short still valid, bro? For this 2 minute fair value gap, it's by inverse.
I mean that'd be a huge inverse, but
Right.
Nice push. I don't even know what to take this. I might take it to. Would you say that draw was at 482 or whatever? Or partial at this low.
528.
Is it 520?
Yeah, 528.
Yep. Wow. Will definitely took that short.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's super clean actually.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for that retest, boys, for shorts. See if we can get it.
2
A
minute
2
tap
minute?
or 2 minute BPR tap.
Yeah. That inversion, get that retest. We'll see.
There we go. CP1. There we go.
Shit move.
Take the second one down to, I don't even know.
We have SMT down here too, so be careful.
Come back at a fucking century. Jesus Christ.
That's insane. Yeah, SMT at lows.
Hmm.
I think the ES is still gonna go for it. Yeah. I'm gonna just trail the last candle until this fails.
Yeah, if ES breaks that low, then NQ could go for like 481, probably. That'd be the next draw.
SMT here.
Yeah, this shit looks crazy.
Looks like it's about to go for it.
One retest, eh? Haven't got it ready. She just wants to go. Oh, we just swept sell side liquidity in the 4 hour.
$445 incoming.
Yeah, that 481's about to get slammed soon. Closer to like 20 points.
Oh, my TP got run through. Fucking red.
Sheesh.
Wow. Dude, I'm scared to like pick up my phone and look at Robinhood. Dude, it cannot be pretty, bro.
Nah, it's definitely not. That shit is.
Dude, we're so fried, bro.
Oh, it's over.
No.
I think we lost the war. Wait, where's the VIX at? $30? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, bro, it was nice knowing you. I'll see you on the battlefield.
Literally, though. Yo, like, that is insane.
We still keep on dumping through
See, the
this.
flip, like, the
Christ.
inverse, like, flip on ES was a lot, like, better, like, risk reward wise than how it flipped on NQ. NQ's flip was way too low for me to take it, but ES is actually solid.
Yeah. Get ready to suit up. Oh, jeez. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm coming up with an excuse, bro. I'm not going.
He said,
Yes,
I'm
I'm
not
not
going.
Bro, I promise you I'm not going. I can swear to you I'm not going.
Do we keep flushing through this? Jesus Christ.
That shit is moving.
Okay. Trailed out right there. Ready.
W.
One. Holy comeback. I'm not touching the charge for 8 weeks.
I'll see you on Monday, my friend.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Absolutely. Back on it.
Yes, sir, Benny.
Nah, that overnight shit just blew me though. I'm not gonna lie. Got me trading one and two micros at a time. Shit took me down to $200 left in drawdown.
Jeez.
But that's a $500 day, so come back.
Good shit, Benny. Good shit, fellas.
Yeah.
10 a.m. news is about to drop. I'm gonna
445
open up a spot now.
Fuck. What is that?
445 is 2 1/4. Standard deviation.
Let me see.
I took it off of the second leg though. After we, not the first leg, the second leg.
Okay, so yeah.
Let me see.
Bro, I did the standard deviation earlier. So if you measure out the first leg, so like 930's wick high down to the
Mhm.
opening price of the 924 candle. So that would be just the CISD leg. Bro,
Mhm.
negative 2 1/4 lines up perfectly to the tick at 936 wick low. There's 2 and
Yeah, that's a
445.
fact.
Holy
I just
shit.
saw that. Yeah. Here's 10 a.m. The news.
Bro,
We opened up a huge 5-minute up there. Jesus.
we wicked 445 perfectly.
Yeah, it's insane. And then retrace like
Oh,
back in
jeez.
fibs.
Yep.
Hey, technically, we also inverse this 4-hour. So that's fucking pretty huge.
Let me see. That 4-hour candle's insane. Jesus Christ.
All right.
You do yours from the wick to the candle close of the longest downturn wick.
So
That
when
makes
I
sense.
measure out my standard deviations, I do the CISD
Let me
leg.
see.
So how I
One
got,
second. Let me open up your screen.
yeah, how I
Okay.
got
Yeah.
2 1/4 was the highest point from this leg to the opening price of this bullish candle, because once we get a candle close underneath this opening price, that becomes the CISD. So I measure out the CISD leg, and 2 1/4 lines up perfectly with 445, and look at how we wick that. You know, and then do it
Okay.
again, right? Measure out the CISD, the top point to the opening price of this candle. Look at 2 1/4.
Okay, maybe I'm looking at mine different. So if you draw it, go to the 3 minute.
Yep.
And then draw it from the top of that candle,
First or second?
two
one?
candles over.
This one.
No, up. What is it called? But yeah, that right there, the top of that bearish candle,
This
top
one
of
right
the bearish candle. Yeah,
here. Okay. And then yeah, to
to
the
the
opening price of this candle
to,
right here.
no, I do it to the
Wick.
what candle is that? To the right of it, the bullish candle.
Oh, like this one?
Now, no, two over to the right. Yeah, the bottom of that bullish candle right there, the longest wick.
Got you. Okay.
No, up
Oh,
to the candle close. Sorry,
candle close right here.
my bad. The candle open. Candle open.
Right here.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, click that, and then it retraces up to a certain point, and then pulls back down to I think that's hit -1 to the tick
Got you.
for me. Like if I was going to retrace from there, it hit golden pocket. I didn't enter on that golden pocket. I entered earlier than that, but it hit golden pocket and then came back down and tapped that -1.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I've just always done it.
That's
from
how I learned it.
Yeah, CISD works for me. I mean, you gotta just find what works for you, you know.
Yeah. Forgot who the guy said trades like that, but he draws it from, like if it's a bearish pullback, draws it from the wick on the top to whichever candle has the longest wick downwards. So that bullish candle at 936, close there, pull back to the corner pocket. I mean the golden pocket, grab an entry there, and then take 1 to 1.5 standard deviations, whatever you want to put your TPs at. But it seems to work a lot of the time. I just don't always have it drawn out. I don't wait for those. Honestly, I might have never traded again if this whipped me out and then flew down like this. This shit would have pissed me off to no end.
We do have a slight SMT at the bottom, the internal low, that news low.
Yep.
We're coming up towards this 5-minute.
Honestly, boys, I'm gonna get freaky and just have a limit at that 2-minute inverse fair value gap. Okay. Continuations, maybe.
2-minute inverse. Fuck it.
Jesus Christ.
No worry, Adrian.
Like it's pretty solid because we have that 2-minute right inverse that we never retested, and we also close below a 5-minute order block. So it'd be a breaker blocker retest as well within a 5-minute fair value gap.
See, just hovering in this 3-minute, that 5-minute above.
I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
Bet.
But
Mm-mm-mm-mm. Starting to slow down. See, that 10 a.m. candle low is technically a data low. So that would be like another draw if we come back down again. Wanting to see if this 5 minute gets tapped because we've been edging it.
That's what I like to hear, man. You're literally validating that 2-minute retest for me, bro. Come on.
Yeah, it could play out here.
It's Freaky Friday, you know. I'll low risk it. Fuck it. Might as well have fun, yeah.
Valid. Honestly, we very well could make like no other move. That could be the move for the day, just because overnight extended pretty hard overnight, or like to the downside, and then AM session expanded another 200 points down, so almost like 600 points downward. We could either like slow grind back into the range or like just consolidate really to end the week.
Yeah, it's pretty ugly. I mean, I did mark out a 30-minute fair value gap down below with Southside liquidity, so that's always something as well.
Yeah, I think we might just chop here for the rest of the day. Maybe go up and down, but I've
did
learned
make
my
its
lesson
move,
before.
bro. Like, I wanted shorts off that 2-minute inversion, but no retest. So yeah, I think it made its move, to be honest.
Yeah, I believe so.
Look at the fucking choppiness, bro. It's choppy. Low AMD, boys.
We could AMD the top into the 5 minute and then come back for the data low, the 10 a.m. low. Very possible. I probably won't end up taking anything though, personally.
That's a Freaky Friday, bro. We're better off just sitting on our hands and waiting.
Yeah.
And March PA's been shit, as we know. Trump could say something right now.
Yeah, I mean, after I saw the overnight move, I didn't really like care to trade much today. I was just kind of wanting to take read for the most part.
Yeah, same thing. I wanted to see what we would do today after seeing overnight session, but I mean, I guess shorts played out a little bit, so I locked out for the day. I'm good.
Nice.
No need to crash out and try to find more setups.
Yeah.
Enjoy the weekend, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna wait for that 2-minute inversion retest and see what we do.
Rod, you on fundeds or evals?
You said me?
I'm on funded. Yeah, I trade 18.
Oh, you were the one that sent the video last night, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good shit, bro. Good shit.
Yeah. I got 5 150Ks on Top Step, 5 my funded futures, 5 trader, 5 daily, and then 3 100K alpha zeros.
Good shit. Yeah. Hell yeah.
So I've been grinding those accounts for a minute, just like not taking max payouts, but like 2K on each, you know.
Hell yeah,
Um,
dude.
I have one more trading day away from getting moved to live on Top Step, so I haven't traded them
Oh,
because
okay.
I don't want to get moved to live. So
Yeah,
I might blow them.
I
We'll
was
see.
gonna say, what's the deal with that? Like, well, in your situation, would it make more sense to just have that one live account because you have so many other funded accounts, or no?
Yeah, but they're it's basically a guaranteed payout. Like they'll never deny a payout ever.
True.
So there's no reason to even trade it. I mean, with the money that I've accumulated, I've made my own live account, a plus 500,
Okay.
and I mean, there's no reason to. And the rules are different now, for those. Plus, I don't want to lose these express accounts because these are the express accounts they had before they changed the
So your
rules.
grandfather did.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm like grandfathered in like with the good accounts. So I just kind of like have kept them, and I just one more day of 115, and they'll get moved. So I
see.
mean, just gonna hold on to them. Maybe maybe I'll blow them. I don't know. Maybe one day you guys will see a big red trade sinker day. But dude, there's so many good deals right now with a bunch of prop firms.
Oh yeah, Lucid just.
So yeah,
Lucid. Just
Lucid,
yeah.
even Top Step, they had a like a $28 off or something like that on like 5 accounts. So
hmm
if you guys are like looking for accounts, I mean, Top Step has never denied a payout for me ever.
Never. Yeah.
Um,
What do you think about TPT?
so I did have 5 150K TPTs. This was like earlier in my trading like career, and the first day I made like 3K. I like low-key grinded for those accounts, and I accidentally traded news. Like it was like a yellow folder. Like I don't even know what happened, but it was news. I was like still new to trading. I didn't know like there was news and stuff, and I ended up making like a bag on them, and they blew, like they closed all the accounts.
I got.
Like I got the email, and it was like, yeah, like you breached our rules, and you
That's fine.
traded. So we're closing all of your accounts, and those accounts are expensive, bro.
Yeah.
So I just stopped using them after that. I mean, if you're like a solid trader who like can consistently pull payouts and get the buffer like higher every single time, then I would do it. But if not, they're just so expensive and the rules just aren't that good.
Sorry to cut you off. This inversion looks really nice. Tap into the
No, you're
phone.
good.
Inversion.
That's clean.
Data lows right here. I took it on paper. This isn't legit. But yeah, so I personally really like TPT. I don't know. I really do love them. The daily payouts. I mean, you have the select plans, right? Or what are they called? The daily plan with Tradeify. So you got the
Yeah,
daily payouts.
I just call them the Tradeify Daily. Yeah,
Yeah. So what are the
Tradeify
rules
Select.
with what are the rules with that? Like you need a buffer or something, or
Yeah, you need to be at $2,100 in order to get a payout, or in order to like request a daily, and then from there you can request whatever you want as long as you're above $2,100.
that's fire. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have no
I mean-
intraday trailing drawdown, or you do?
No, it's all end of day.
That's fire.
Yeah, all the accounts that I have are end of day, and the funded rules are no consistency either.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I hate consistency because my 100K alpha accounts, they have 40% consistency rule, and the balance I've had on these accounts are like at 9,000 for like 2 months, and I haven't been able to get a payout because I'm like at 45% consistency, and every time I get like one trade away, I lose. So I hate
Shit.
consistency.
Yeah. Dude, that's insane shit though. Seriously, good shit. Good for you, man.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
You have
Been grinding.
You have a TikTok or anything? Like you post?
My Instagram, yeah, I have an Instagram I post.
What's your
Mainly.
Instagram?
Alex _ Ryan. I think it's in my bio. Yeah. Alex
Dude,
Dude, no
_
way your
Ryan
name is
_ Rod.
Alex. Bro, I'm Alex, bro.
Let's go. W Alexes.
That's crazy. Yeah. And I got
I started
22
trading meme
fucking-
coins, bro. That's how I started got into
Ew.
trading.
I started trading options, bro. We both came from the
Dude.
same branch.
Yeah. Yeah, my buddies showed me meme coins last year. When I was like in college, they were like showing me like what meme coins are. I started trading those. And then I got into like kind of like this stuff. Maybe it was more of like Forex. I never traded a Forex account. And then I started trading options before that. And then I opened up with like a pot of prop firm account.
I got you. I can't believe this inverse actually failed. That was actually pretty.
I know,
decent.
yeah, just see that.
Yeah, I've been trading. This is my 6th year trading.
Nice.
Yeah.
You're an OG, bro.
A little bit, dude. I got My first fucking taste of the market was, I don't even know if you know this about the whole AMC thing.
AMC like a while
Oh
ago.
yeah, dude. Now you're talking to fucking yeah, dude. That's what attracted me into the market was fucking seeing the whole AMC and GameStop frenzy. I was watching
Yeah.
what's his name? The cat guy. I forget. Roaring Kitty. I was watching Roaring Kitty in like 2019 or like November of like 2019 before the whole frenzy went off, and then I kept fading it. January came around, like absolutely started pumping up, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, let me take a shot. I put 30K into fucking call options expiring that week for AMC. The day I decided to fucking pull the trigger, guess what happens?
Dumb.
They turned off the fucking buy button on Robinhood, bro.
Oh my
Do you
god.
remember that day? I don't know if, like, I don't even know if you
Oh
know about
my.
this. Yes.
No, I know. I've heard of it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I wasn't like trading at this time, but I've heard of it.
Yeah, so they completely swiped that under the rug. Like, no one even talks about it anymore. But, dude, they fucked me so hard. I lost literally 30 grand overnight because they've turned off the fucking buy button. It was, bro, I was distraught. I didn't know what the fuck to do, bro.
That was like me when I was trading meme coins. I started trading last year, like around this time. Like I got into like meme coin trading, and I put like my own money in. Like, dude, we found this method, like rug pull method, but we weren't rugging people. Like we found the rugs that were like AI generated,
Mhm.
and we would basically bank off the rugs. So like every time we saw like an AI, like one of those I don't know if you've never even traded a meme coin, but
Oh, no.
you can
I
like
have a
kind of read the
story.
charts.
I have a story if you want.
Yeah.
to.
Yeah, we were ripping we were like, dude, I found this pattern every single time that like this certain wallet made a coin, it would like do a certain thing, so we would buy. And I had like a fat balance after, like I had like 9 grand in my account. I started like $200 and I thought I was the shit. And then like one day I actually bought like a real rug pull, not knowing, and I lost all of it in like 5 seconds.
Jeez.
So that was my first taste of like losing my own money. So I was like, yeah, I'm out of here. No more meme coins.
You started what, last year, and you're already fucking on 50 funded accounts, whatever you're on.
Yeah, I started trading futures around, I think I bought my first ever account in like May last year.
Good shit, dude. You're coming up on a year.
Yeah. Yeah, almost a year, yeah. But like since I've technically been like looking at charts, it's been just a year now, yeah. Like Aprilish.
So
But like I got lucky though. So yeah.
I was doing the meme coins for a little bit. I bought this, so like back when like meme coins were like really starting to pop off, and like, you know what Ozempic is?
Yeah.
So I bought an Ozempic coin, bro. I thought I was the shit. Like, I was so smart, bro. This shit started running, bro. Like, absolutely fucking running. I turned like 2 grand into like, I don't even remember, like 10 grand, right? And it was just sitting in the account. Like, I didn't sell anything. Bro, I went downstairs to go get like a fucking water bottle. I was streaming. I came upstairs. I have a picture of it. My wallet said 700 grand, bro. I tried selling it. I couldn't fucking sell it. I think it got rug pulled and the liquidity got mixed up or whatever.
Oh yeah.
But dude, yeah, no, like my wallet said 700 grand, and I like was like pacing around my fucking room, bro. I didn't know what the fuck to do, dude.
You're like, bro, I'm rich. What do I do?
But no, I got like 2K fucking rugged from me. I was disgusted.
Oh my god. Yeah, bro, I've had my fair share of lessons. I mean, I've never lost money before. I've always been a college baseball player, so I didn't really have a job because you weren't allowed to, like with the rules. So that was my first time like actually making money, and I was like, oh my, it was so much money to me. Like even if it was like $500, like to me it was so much at the time.
Yeah.
I was sick to my stomach when I lost like my whole portfolio on one account.
Yep. What
Just
how
got
old are
beat
you?
up with it. I'm 23.
Okay, yeah, same age as me. I'm 23 too.
Yeah, but you're more of an OG than I am when it comes to trading. You got the big brains.
Nah, it's all relative, you know.
Dude, yeah, I found this this indicator through like an Instagram ad the other day, and I'm like, you know what, bro, I'm gonna buy this. This seems legit. I was skeptical at first. I didn't know like, you know, if it was legit or what, but I think it's pretty solid for the people that are in here who like have not traded before and like are kind of new and, you know, not like gotten a payout and still like on evals, like dude, this is gonna help a lot for sure.
Appreciate the vouch.
Like definitely, yeah.
Did you set up the indicator using like the video and stuff?
Yeah,
So,
I just haven't been trading as much, so I haven't really like super like looked into it. I just added it to my chart just to make sure like I didn't get scammed.
gotcha.
But obviously like I checked it this morning and stuff because I joined the live chat. But yeah, I set it up on my chart, everything. I mean, yesterday the exact same setup that I was taking, it like gave me the same setup.
Signal. Yeah.
Nice.
So I was like, okay, that's how I know this is
Yeah.
actually legit. It's not just like some random
Oh,
like setup
shoot.
it's giving you. So
So what I like to say is that the indicator will catch every single one of
Yeah.
the setups that like you would.
I caught like 51 points or something.
The indicator would catch like every single setup that you would catch by hand. It's gonna catch some of the trades that like you otherwise would not be taking. You just have to like kind of fade those.
yeah, I'm not talking bad on it, but
No, yeah.
it did have a long right after it hit the trade hit because technically I just go for 20. I go for 50 points, and it hit like right at like 9:37. There was that like inversion to the upside, and it like gave like a signal, and I didn't take it, but like it was a setup that like it gave, and it still like was a winning trade, but that was one of those setups you're saying like if you're looking bearish, like just you wouldn't take that,
Exactly. Yep.
But depending on who you are and what your RR is, like that is a winning trade. You're done for the day,
Exactly, 100%. I recommend just going into the settings of the indicator real quick. Put it on series and sensitive. So that's what I run. That's like, in my opinion, the best.
You said, well, let me add it right now. You said put it to what?
Series and sensitive.
What is that?
So it'll be like single, change it to series. So the detection,
Oh, I
series,
see.
sensitivity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sensitive.
And then all the like dots should just be high losing setups, allow 7 to 15 IFEGs, and then require BE not breached on inversion.
Yeah.
And then seen above, and then that's it. And then those are the best settings that I found personally.
All right. Just added them. I did add also the require influx of volume.
Okay.
Just because you will, like what I've seen is you will get more setups that are just like for sure, like if it doesn't play out, like that was just an unfortunate like event, like yesterday it had one like at the very bottom that whatever setups was yesterday, let me see, it only had one setup on that yesterday, or it was the long.
Okay.
On that 1 minute. Yeah, does it work in the 30-second?
Yeah, works on everything.
Yeah, because there was a 30-second.
I took that 30-second actually yesterday, the long.
Yeah,
that's
see
what I
the
did the video on.
I took the 1 minute just because I was on because I don't have the 30-second ability on trading view. So I wasn't even checking the 30-second. I just took the 1 minute, but it still hit though, and it had a good target on it as well. It showed up a little like a couple seconds later, like the target, but I mean, it literally hit the 5 minute, like to T, the 5 minute CE perfectly, and then it rejected.
Yeah.
So I mean, if people are new, dude, this is so helpful, like so helpful.
Bro, we're really trying to change the game. I mean, this is Dodgy's indicator where we worked with ICT Keswick. I don't know if you're familiar with him. He has a 2022 mentorship. His indicator is insane. We have a CISD based indicator. We're working on an OTE indicator, a standard deviation indicator for top and bottom and ticking, and I mean we're
dude, that would be cracked, standard deviation.
You want to see it real quick? I can.
Dude, that would be nuts.
I can tease it a little bit.
Because I know so many people, like including me, when I started trading, bro, I did not know how to use standard deviation.
Yeah, 100%. So this is the OTE indicator. it's still a work in progress, and I'm gonna have to change some of the settings.
Yeah, dude, that would be insane.
So actually, I don't know why it's not populating correct, but let me see if I have the other one. Hold on. Yeah, so I don't know if you know who this guy is.
Scriv?
Yeah, yeah.
My buddy's huge into trading standard deviation. So he would be hyped on this.
Yeah, we're trying to build this out for Scrib right now. Let's see. It's taking forever to load.
But sometimes it just takes forever to load.
Yeah, my internet's been so shitty lately.
We're about to get bombed, that's why.
Yeah, honestly, I might just have to send you a video later.
Yeah, just send it to me whenever.
Yeah. I don't know why it's not loading right now.
No, yeah, you're good.
But yeah, no.
This is why.
No,
like this is why I said I would just have like locked my accounts out for the rest of the day.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. So this is it right here. So it caught the SMT at the highs, rejection block, the 5-minute, 1-minute rejection block. It has a standard deviation anchored, so 2.5 right here, 2.5 right here, -4 right here. Has this 1-minute rejection block. So we're still in the process of actually adding like an entry signal, but this is kind of like all the confluences and all the the bare bones of the indicator so far.
Yeah. Yeah. Dude, that's super sick.
Yes, sir. We're dead ass changing like the entire industry. The way that everyone thinks about indicators, like, you know.
Yeah. People like I think when everybody started trading, they all like thought they were gonna find like the goated indicator that was gonna make them rich. I mean, I thought the same thing. But this is like actually super helpful. Like,
it really is.
Yeah, it technically gives you an entry signal, but it also like it tells you why, you know?
Exactly.
It doesn't tell you to like buy or sell. It's like, okay, like based off of this and this, like this is the setup that you could take, you know?
Exactly.
I like to use it as like a test. Like, is this the setup that I'm about to take? Yes. And if it pops up and it's like, okay, like that's a good like extra like level of confidence, you know?
That's what I say to everyone in the DMs. Like, don't just think that you're gonna blindly buy this indicator to follow it, right? And just like blindly follow the signals. Use it as confirmation for what you know is already about to happen. If you're gonna mark everything out, this indicator will mark everything out for you. If you're gonna take this inversion, just wait for the confirmation from the indicator, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, and use it as a test. Like, see, like turn it off for a second, all right? And then like let the charts populate and then okay, this is a setup I would take, turn it on and see if it's something that it would show you as well, or you know.
Exactly.
And that's, dude, it's legit. Like, I think most people have like don't understand like how game changing this is, because like most, like as you know, like indicators sometimes can get a bad rap because like, bro, you use indicators. Like, no, this is low key GOAT. Like low key GOAT.
Thank you. Yeah, no, we're it's pretty insane. You know the whole CPI method?
Yeah.
We made an indicator for that CPI method.
No way.
Yeah.
There's one that I use. It's like the OSOC protection pad.
Okay.
It's like it's oak. It's like it's not bad. It's not good either. It's just like an extra like it tells you exactly where like to put 30, 35 points. It's nothing crazy, but that's smart, bro, because a lot of people are trading CPI now. Like first when CPI was a thing like last year, nobody was like trading it. I feel like everybody trades it now, so that's kind of if you put that out there, like, oh, we have a new CPI like indicator, it's gonna help you pass your evals. Like people for sure buy that.
Now you're getting it, bro.
Yeah, bro, you guys are killing it, bro. I mean, dude, the ads, whatever. If you guys are running ads, it worked. I saw the video yesterday.
Was it on Instagram?
Yeah, it was on Instagram. I only have Instagram.
It was
so
it was like the comment the word profit.
Yeah, it was that one.
Holy shit! And you actually bought it from that link?
Yeah, I did.
That's insane. Wow. Yeah. So we set that up to be fully autonomous. So like that was no human intervention whatsoever.
Yeah, I bought it from that yesterday because I'm like, you know what, bro? Like my charts, like I have to mark the stuff out early, and I live in California, so like I wake up super early. and I just don't want to mark everything out. And all right, let me go see what London high, London low, Asia low, put these fair value gaps. Like it's just like so much for me.
See,
So
I'm glad that you're saying that, bro, because I had that same philosophy a year ago, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's just like seriously make it good. Like fuck all this fuck ass, garbage indicators out there. Like make seriously good indicators that you actually gonna use.
I like it.
I love it. I love it. I'm so
Yeah,
glad that you're saying all this, bro, because
Yeah, no, I'm not even like just saying that for fun. Like, dude, it's the truth.
No,
Like, if you live in California, I don't know where a lot of these people are from or where you guys are from. I think I saw your charts. It said 9:30, so I'm thinking you're somewhere on the East Coast.
yeah, I'm New York.
Yeah. So I mean, I lived in Florida for the last 2 years, so I was lucky, waking up later and 9 o'clock, 8:30. But now that I'm back in California, like it's too early to do all that. So this is like super helpful.
Hell yeah, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna head off. I didn't take anything this morning, so I'm gonna kick it. I locked out already, so.
Valid. Yeah, we're about to close up shop here, fellas.
All right, boys. Well, appreciate it, bro. I'll see you guys Monday.
Yes, sir. See you guys Monday. Peace out, fellas.
Peace, peace, peace.
Peace out, Rob.